Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Here is a short video of how you can make instant coffee at home. So for that you just get the instant coffee. Here is a instant coffee what I have here. You can see here instant coffee what I have, and just for that instant coffee you get one spoon of your instant coffee here. And if you like, you can add more coffee if you want to make it stronger. I don't like it very strong, so 1 spoon is enough for me. And I will not add any sugar, so I will have this one without sugar, but you can add sugar for yourself. And after, add hot water. You can see hot water until here. 3/4 of the cup or even less, and give it a mix. After, you can add fresh milk. We're going to add fresh milk, and some people like it less milky and I like it more milky, so here is more milk for me. And here is a quick instant coffee. Let's give it a mix, stir, and you can see here instant coffee is ready. You can have an instant coffee with a bit of milk, and you can add some cream on the top. You can see here. And there is a beautiful coffee with some cream on the top, and you can enjoy this beautiful coffee with these beautiful looking crepes here. They are delicious, and here are the crepes, and here is the beautiful coffee. You can make these at home, and they are really delicious. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video. Thank you.